So after we create the bell bar as well as the bell frame, next we are going to create the bell prong, okay? To create the bell prong, I'm going to come over here to this rectangle tool, click on one to select, then come back over here to the page, click on it to bring this create rectangle window and refer to the specs. We going to type in right here the width 3.5 and I'm going to press down the tab key and we want the height to be 0.6 centimeter. After that, I'm going to click on OK to confirm. Next, we're going to curve 2 end point of the bell prong, okay? So let me zoom in just a little bit. So to curve these points, I'm going to come over here. Once again, guys, click on this edit pattern tool, and then come over here to this smooth curve tool, click on it. Now I'm going to just right click. You see, if you hover the mouse over that point right there, you see this purple highlight appear. Right click on it. This will bring this round corner by length window, and you see right here by default the links icon already checked, so we don't have to worry about that. If not, be sure you click on it. You see right here, this is unlinked. We want it to link, so we want to change that to 0.1 cm. Then you see both the line 1 and line 2 are equal amount, which is 0.1. That's what we want. And their curvature is 50%. And I'm going to click on OK to confirm. Next, I'm going to, once again, while that smooth tool is active, I'm going to just hover the mouse over this point, then right click to bring this round corner by length window, and I'm going to type in 0.1. So just a double check anyway, make sure both lines are equal amount because that's what we want, and curvature is 50%, and I'm going to click on OK. Okay, so as you can see, we just create the bell prong. Next, I'm going to bring it down over here a little bit, okay? To do so, I'm going to come over here to the transform pattern tool, click on it, and I'm going to click on that bell prong and then bring it down here just a little bit. Okay, so we just created the bell bar, the bell frame, and the bell prong. Next, I'm going to marquee select all the objects, okay? And come to the property editor. I'm going to change the particle distance to 1. See right here, come down over here to simulation property. I'm going to highlight this particle distance and then type in 1. And I'm going to press on enter to confirm. And this warning window pop up to warn us that a particle distance is lower than 5, it will slow down our computer. However, we don't have to worry about that because we're dealing with this small portion of fabric. We're going to click yes. Okay, next we are going to change. You come down here to, once again, under simulation property, we are going to change add thickness rendering to 3. And then I'm going to press down return or enter on the keyboard to confirm. Okay, so by default, my CLO window in this 3D already show the thickness, but somehow if you're not, say, let's see, you see right there, you instead of texture surface, you want it to be thick textured surface, okay? Just click on it to show the thickness of the objects that we are making. However, I'm going to, once again, click on this reset 2D arrangement. So I want these objects next to each other, okay? And let me press down Command or Control and right click and then just drag it to the right to rotate this object. It looks pretty good, guys. So right here, a bell frame and a bell bar, and over here is a bell prong. Okay, so it looks pretty good, but a couple of things that we can improve on. Okay, so right now it look kind of dull. We want to make just like in the picture that I show you, it's like a metal belt buckle. Okay, first of all, let me just click one on the page to release. After that, I'm going to come over here and click on this fabric. You see this under object browser. I'm going to click on the fabric, and I'm going to come down here. You see right here under material. Instead of fabric matte, I'm going to change it to metal render only. Click on it. Okay, it is much better. However, it's still not the metal looks that we want. So there is something else that we can do. So I'm going to come over here. You see right here, render quality. Click on that, but right there. And as you can see, this turn just like the metal that I show you in the picture, right? Looks pretty amazing. So after that, I'm going to show you how to export these objects so we can use it for our projects. Okay? Hi, I'm Rose Billy from encoderfashion. There is more information under this video. Bye!